In this video, you will learn how to make a reservation for a visit to the Hoover Institution Library and Archives reading room. For the best experience, we recommend that you use either Firefox or Internet Explorer browsers. All reservations and requests are handled through Aeon, our online registration system. If you do not have an account, you will first need to register. If you already have an account, you can proceed to the Login button. Once you are logged in, you will start on this home screen. You need a reservation before you request material, so the first step is to click on the Reservation tab in the navigation bar along the top of the page. From here, click on the Make a Reservation button. The reservation calendar will appear. Please be patient as it may take a few seconds to load. Make sure you are viewing the calendar with the week view. This is the most accurate way to check availability. You can now look for the date you would like to reserve. If the day you are interested in is blocked out in red, we are either closed or have reached our seating capacity. Once you have picked a date, double-click on a time slot for the start of your visit. This will prompt a small window to pop up. Here, fill in your appointment name and the start and end time. Our reading room is regularly open from 8:30 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Once you fill in the information fields, click Schedule. Your reservation has now been scheduled. You can close the calendar and your reservation should now appear in your reservations page. Your reservation is not confirmed until you receive a confirmation email from a Library and Archives staff member. Confirmation emails are sent out only after you submit your material requests. If you need help with this next step, please watch our video tutorial on requesting materials.